Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Gerel Matta. So today we're going to be doing the Boxycharm unboxing and try on. I'm very excited about this box. This is my second time filming this video because the first time I had some issues with my audio and I was so sad that I could not get this video up for you even sooner. But here we are. I'm trying it one more time and I hope that it comes out well. So now I did already try all the products, but I wanted to try it for you one more time. So with that being said, I want to know if you actually enjoy this type of videos where I'm actually trying the products from the box, or do you just want me to open up the box and show you what I got? Let me know in the comment section down below which one do you prefer. So let's go ahead and get into the video. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. You can also click on the little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is every single week. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. So as soon as you open your box, you're going to be receiving this little cardboard right here, which it gives you a breakdown of all the products that you are receiving in your box, as well as the prices and also the theme of the month, which is Gold Digger. Now let's go ahead and get into the box. So the first thing that I want to show you is this palette, and this is by the brand AC Beauty, and this one is called the Grandiose palette. This is what it looks like. So the palette retails for $24.99. So let me swatch them for you on the back of my hand, because that is exactly what I did on my last video. So let me go ahead and do that for you, and I'll show you the swatches. So these are the swatches right here. Now they swatch really nice, very nice and buttery. The only one that I feel that is very powdery is this shade right here, but when I applied it the last time on my eye, it went on so beautiful. There was like barely any fallout, if any, and I really enjoy working with these shades. Now I didn't use all of them, but I did use some. I want to create kind of like a brown smoky, not so much on the red side, but it will probably end up being a little bit more on the red side, or like a pinky side, just because we do have those beautiful berry colors, which I do not mind at all. So before we get into the look, I want to show you the rest of the products just so you can have an idea of what you're getting, and then at the end of the video I'm going to do the little tutorial. So the next product that I have here is by Luxy Beauty, and these brushes retail for $21. It is a special set that is only for Boxycharm, which is amazing. You do get 4 detailed brushes for your eyes, which I'm super happy because I love brushes. Like, I have so many brushes, but in reality, like very detailed brushes like this ones, they always come in handy, especially if you have like hooded eyes or semi-hooded like me. You do tend to work so much better with small brushes. So these are the small brushes right here. As you can see, I did clean my brushes, but they did get a little bit stained from the eyeshadows that I used on the last video that we're not going to talk about anymore. But yes, they are a little stained from the last video, but I did use all of them and I love all of them so much. So you know, the fact that this is my second time filming this video is actually a positive thing, because I can share with you exactly my experience from the last video. I already used all these products, so I can tell you like 100% that I did enjoy the palette very much, as well as the brushes. The brushes are like so perfect for detail like work, which I love so much. So yes, now the next product that I have here are these lashes. So these lashes are by Lashaholic, and these are the Instaglam false eyelashes. So these are what the lashes look like. These lashes retail for $14.99. Like, the whole entire box is $21 a month. You cannot go wrong with this box. Like, the palette already paid for your whole entire box. So that's just amazing to me, and it really like comes in handy, especially if you are just starting with makeup, or if you are like a makeup lover just like me and you actually want to try different products. This is like a perfect box to have. I have had a Boxycharm for such a long time already, and I do enjoy the box very much. Just in case you are not signed up for Boxycharm, I do have a link down below. It is an affiliated link, just in case you are interested. If you do not feel comfortable using my affiliated link, it's okay. You can just go straight to boxycharm.com and you can sign up. It is $21. All right, so the next product that I have in the box is this pencil right here. It is a glitter pencil and it is by the brand Jante Blue, and this retails for $5. Now the only thing in the box is this pencil right here. I just don't know how it feels. It feels a little harsh and gritty when I am swatching it on the back of my hand, and I will be totally scared to actually put some kind of pencil like this on my waterline or close to my eyes, especially if it has like little tiny glitters. So I don't know if I'm going to end up using this one in this tutorial. I did not use it on the last tutorial because of that. I just don't want any of those little particles to go into my eyes and then I'm just going to be like turn super red. I just don't want that. So the last product that I have in the box is by Cover FX. Now this is their glitter drops. I'm super excited to actually have this in my collection. I did use it on my last look and I loved it so much. This one is in the shade Nova. So let me go ahead and just swatch this in the back of my hand so you can see, just in case you are interested. And that is the shade right there. So they do tend to dry a little quick, so you do need to work fast with this glitter. So if you are going to be adding it to the top of your cheekbones, definitely want to try it like one cheekbone at a time, or you can mix it with your foundation as well. Now the Cover FX glitter drops retails for $44. So I know these are so expensive and yet they will last you for a very, very long time. So now that you know all the products that I got in my box, I am going to start now with a little demo of using this product. So let's go ahead and get into that right now. Okay, so this is the final look. So yeah, that's it for the November 2018 unboxing and demo. I hope that this was actually helpful to you, just in case you do have Boxycharm, or if you're interested in getting Boxycharm and you just want an idea of how to use the products. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below once again whether you like this type of videos or you just want me to open up the box and show you the products. That will be so much helpful for me, so I can do the kind of videos that you want to see. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciating you hanging out with me and watching my videos and just being so supportive and loving towards me. I really truly appreciate it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching once again. Don't forget forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time. Bye.